In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tracing letters in Microsoft Word. Creating tracing letters in Word is easier than you might think, and the key is using the right font. With the right font, you can turn any text into a tracing exercise perfect for kids or beginners learning to write. The first step is to find a tracing font. One of the best places to get free fonts is where you can browse and download a font specifically designed for tracing letters. Once you have chosen your tracing font, download it to your system. On a Windows computer, this usually involves opening the downloaded file and clicking Install. On a Mac, the process is just as simple. Open the font file and click the Install button. After a few seconds, the font will be ready to use in Microsoft Word. With the font installed, open Microsoft Word and type the text you want to use for tracing. It could be letters, words, or even short sentences. Highlight the text, and from the font drop-down menu, search for the new tracing font you installed. In this case, we are using KJ Primary Dots with Lines, which is ideal for tracing exercises. Select the font, and your text will immediately transform into dotted or lined letters ready to trace. Next, adjust the font size to make the tracing letters large enough for comfortable writing practice. You can increase the size until it fits the page and is easy to follow with a pencil or pen. You now have a fully functional tracing exercise created entirely in Microsoft Word. This method is quick, efficient, and requires no extra software beyond Word and a free downloadable font. It's a practical way to make custom worksheets, learning activities, or practice sheets tailored to any age or skill level. By simply choosing the right font and resizing your text, you can produce high-quality tracing letters in minutes. Using this approach, anyone can create educational resources or fun writing exercises, and the process is fully customizable depending on the text, font, and layout you prefer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.